gotta hit this tunnel right here. Ready? Oh my goodness. That thing was crazy. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to your boy Sticks. What's good with y'all, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks. I actually had to come all the way home to get my GoPro because I didn't have the mount for it and I didn't really want to hold it. We're gonna pull up on my boy right now, see how many people he got, because I do need a car wash. But if he has too many people, I'm not gonna get it today. Probably wait till tomorrow or something. But you know, I am gonna take you guys on a little drive with me here. So it's a nice day today. Everybody's outside today. That's like everybody outside. It's like what? Let me see. Let me check the weather right now, because I know it was raining, you know, last weekend, like the whole weekend. But this week, you know, it's supposed to be really nice pretty much the whole week. We're looking at like high, like 70s and even hitting 80s. So it's gonna be nice. So a lot of videos this week, hopefully. Let me put the address to where I'm going to, because I don't even know where I'm going. Copy this address, put it on here. I bet 5 minutes away. Nice little drive. Let's get on the highway here. There was an accident when I was on the way home, bro. I don't know what's up, bro. Like, there's just too many accidents, bro. There's always an accident happening. Like, but let's go ahead and the car's already warmed up, guys, because like I said, I just got home. The car is not cold or anything like that. You know, I was driving for a little while already, so I should have hit my boy up to see if he was even there. I don't even know if he's there, man. We're gonna go see right now. He's not far from me anyway. I don't know why they have never like attempted to fix this street right here, because this thing be annoying. I'm gonna pop it in sport. I'll open this a little bit so you guys can kind of hear it. So there's this cop car, bro, that been parked. Look, I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're about to pass it. No, you probably will. So this car right here has been there for like 3 days. They think they slick, but I know there's nobody in that car. That car's been there for like 3 days straight, bro, with nobody in it. They just put it there to try to scare people, but we're not that dumb. Well, some people, you know, probably speeding late, they see that thing, they get scared, but so, because you never know. But oh, I think so. Fire. Is that a stop sign? Yeah, he got a stop sign. He gotta slow your ass. Damn. I hate people looking at me, so let me put my window up a little bit. People just be staring, bro. Are you guys the type of people like me? I like having tints. For one, people don't see me, like, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little weirdo. I be looking at people, you know what I'm saying? Especially when they pull up right next to me, I be looking to see what's up. You know, I don't want them to know that I'm looking at them, you feel me? And most of them, like everybody else, usually doesn't have tints like that, like regular people. And so they don't know that I'm looking at them, but I know that they're looking at me. So that's why I like my tints. I'm gonna pull up over here. My car is so dirty, guys, but hey, it's okay. There's some speed cameras. There's one right there. There's also a pothole there. Double parked cars, man. It sounds so good over here, bro. By the way, I haven't been to the city in a little while, so I might be going to the city and recording a little video for you guys, man. I haven't been there in a while, bro. I just been working and just figuring life out, man. But I definitely gotta hit the city because you guys love them city videos. I enjoy making the city videos too. I just haven't done it because I haven't driven my car as much because of the rain and stuff, for one, and two, I just been working. So maybe tonight I might be pulling up to the city, so be on the lookout for that video. These lights be taking dumb long though. It looks like it got mad cars. Hello, ¿qué? What's good? Tu sabes, making my little videos and shit. What's good, bro? Chilling, you know, occasion. You know, nigga, doing my little videos, you know what I'm saying? You know, that's what I've been doing and shit. Yeah, chilling, bro. I see, nothing estaba por aquí. Where he went? Esa fue ahora to get to a meet. Oh, where? Yeah, le voy a tirar a ver qué lo que. All right, bro, I see you, all right? came to see if my other boy was there, but he said he went to a car meet. Some meet in Queens? Nah, that's deep. I'm not trying to go to Queens though. You know what? Let me go right. Let's go this way. I don't know what's this way. It's so nice out though, guys. So nice. As a matter of fact, I'm about to open this up here. Gotta be careful with this camera over here. I don't even know where to drive to, guys. I came to see what's up to my boy, but he's not even there. Well, my other boy, that one that you guys just saw, that's his car wash right there. You know what I'm saying? That's, you know, I be pulling up on him and stuff, getting my car washed there, but woohoo! It's so good, man. It's so good. I'm about to hit this tunnel right here. Ready? Oh my goodness, that thing was crazy. If you guys want to go to the zoo, look, I just brought you to the zoo, man. For as long as I've been in New York, bro, I've never been to that zoo right there. That's the Bronx Zoo. I've never ever been there, bro, and I probably won't. I don't know. I'm not a zoo type of person. I'm not saying I would never, but you know, that's not my style. I will go here if it wasn't some like with the boys or whoever, you know what I'm saying? Oh boy, we're about to hit the traffic I was telling you guys about. See if we can cut through the traffic a little bit. Man, this car sounds so good, bro. I'm about to put my I'm about to be driving in, let me put my thing in, like, you know, eco, bro. Let's say some gas. Obviously I can't really do much with all this traffic. I am gonna try to get on that left lane though, make it so I can make it quicker, but you know what I'm saying? Masucamba, llegan los tigres, la verdadera ganga. Oh, there was an accident right here, I guess. Let me see. Oh yeah, Max sauce, damn. My son don't got the wheel. I don't know how people like crash so often. I just think that they're just not paying attention, bro. They probably get distracted, get on their phones, or that's what it is. It has to be that, because why is there always so many accidents, bro? Like, okay, if you have like a car failure, which is so rare, then all right, but for the amount of accidents that happen, bro, you have to not be paying attention, bro. You just have to. Oh my god, I hate that shit. I get that sometimes it's not even your fault. Like you could not be moving and then somebody just hits you, but when there's certain things that you can avoid, it's like, it's why. My son car on lit mode? Oh no. Or is that another accident? What the heck is going on, you guys? Another accident right there. Oh no. This highway though, does be having, man, like hella accidents happen on this highway. I don't know why. This is what really happens in my life, guys. Like I don't really, you know what I'm saying, I don't really do much, bro. Like I just work and create videos here and then. Right now, if I wasn't making this video, you guys, like it's a beautiful day and everything, and I would just probably be home doing nothing. That's what, you know what I'm saying? I just don't be outside, bro. I just be inside, you know, doing my thing, just chilling, bro. But I am gonna just pretty much head back to the crib for a little bit before I, you know, gotta go back to work. Oh, there's two cameras here. There's one right here to the right, and then there's another one right after. I guess I had like a softball game here, but I guess it ended. I would have pulled over and watched the game a little bit, because you guys know I be playing softball every Monday. But I guess the game is over, so I'll probably just head to the crib, get me something to eat, and just kind of chill. Look, there's a 440 right there, guys. That's just clean though. He got the same, pretty much the same setup. I don't think it's a 440. I think it's a 435, 430, something like that, because I think I've seen that car before. But he does have the same setup as me, pretty much. The only thing he has different is that he got his rim painted in gloss black, which I thought about doing that, but that's just, you know, I don't want to do it anymore, only because it's like having black rims is such a like a regular thing nowadays. It's like if you have a white car, everybody be going with the black rims. So I wanted to be different, and as you guys know that I am gonna be, you know, at some point in my life I am gonna be wrapping this car, and so the color that I have in mind for the rims, or the rims that I have in mind for the car, they're not gonna be black. And so that's why, you know, I just didn't paint these black and just kind of kept it like, you know, the way they are. They do look clean though, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. They do look clean once they're cleaned, and you know, once I have a wash. But when they're dirty, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like with black you won't really see it as much, but this car, like the rims get dirty, you can tell, bro, that they're dirty, because when they're like clean, they just like shine and look glossy, and they just look nice. But they are pretty dirty at the moment, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so if you guys enjoy this little drive, make sure you go subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you guys enjoy this angle, because my last video I did use my dash cam, which is right here, but honestly I didn't really like the way it turned out so much, because I want it to be more like a point of view kind of video, where you guys can kind of feel like you guys are the ones driving the car, and you guys see the steering wheel, you guys kind of see everything in here. With the dash cam, you guys couldn't really, you know, have that experience. And so I'm just gonna be using my, you know, my GoPro, so you guys can have that field and all that stuff. But you know, I might still use that in the future for something else. I just have to plan on something, you know, that can come in handy for. But as of right now, you know, I'm just stick to what's been working and what you guys enjoy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe down below, like the video, comment any other video ideas you guys want to see. Thank you guys again for 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna keep on, you know, grinding and making videos for you guys. Hopefully, you know, great content coming soon. Appreciate you guys so much, man. And with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.